every day. Let's use our imagination. Let's create and have fun. Friends, today I'm going to make some guacamole using avocado, cilantro, some lemon. If you have lime, you can use lime. And I'm also going to do a little bit of salt. Let's get started. I'm going to take an avocado and take a lemon. Have my cilantro. Let's get started. Open it up. Ta-da! And there's my beautiful avocado. Just squeeze it out. Comes right out. I have cilantro here. It looks like parsley. I'm going to chop it up really fine. And mom and dad or an adult can do the cutting. And put it in my bowl. I use the stems. I use everything. Now I'm going to cut my lemon in half and squeeze a little bit of juice in there. You can use lemon or you can use lime. I use this gadget to squeeze all my lemon juice. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. My lime. I have my avocado. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt in there. You want to add a little black pepper, you can add some black pepper. If you want to put fresh garlic, you put fresh garlic. I'm just keeping mine very simple. I'm just going to smash the avocado, the lime, the lemon, salt and pepper. You can also add onions and tomatoes. If you want to get really fancy, you can add a little bit of mango. There you have it, guys. And that's how you make guacamole. I got my bag of chips. And now let's head down to my dip. So this is guacamole, my friends. So we made it with a little bit of avocado. We made it with avocado, salt, pepper, cilantro, and lemon. If you don't want to use lemon, you can also use lime. I got my chips, and now I'm gonna take a dip. And now I'm gonna eat it. Mmm. So have fun making guacamole with avocados. See you guys soon.